This episode is talking about how to use hardkey and delete the file. The table has some frequently used hardkey like copy is Ctrl+C, cut is Ctrl and X, paste is Ctrl+V. So let's look at how to use hardkey to copy and paste the file. At first, we select the first file, and we press Ctrl+C on keyboard. Use Ctrl+V to paste the file to the folder. Then you will see a copy file of first. Second way is use right click. At first, we select the first file, then right click, and then we left click the copy. And we move to a blank space, right click, and then we find the paste button and left click it. Now we introduce how to delete file. At first, we select the file you want to delete, then find the delete word on your keyboard and press it. Another way is we select the file you want to delete, right-click on it, and find the delete button and left-click it. So now let's do the actual work. We find the first file in here. We use hardkey way. So at first, Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. Now you find a copy of the first file. And we use the right-click way. At first, right-click the first file, and then we left-click the copy. We find a blank space and right-click, and we paste it. Now we do how to delete file. Find the delete button on your keyboard and press it. You can see my copy file is deleted. Another way is we select the copy file and right-click and delete it. You can see the file is also deleted.